If your Nissan suddenly shows engine malfunction, power reduced, service now, your vehicle has entered what's called limp mode. This is a built-in safety feature that limits engine power to protect critical components from further damage. You may notice sluggish acceleration and reduced speed, but the goal is to let you safely reach a repair facility without causing serious engine failure. In many cases, the root cause is something common and fixable, especially if addressed early. Important steps: 1. Reduce your speed immediately and avoid aggressive acceleration or highway driving. 2. Drive carefully to a safe location or service center as soon as possible. 3. Check for obvious issues like loose air intake hoses or disconnected vacuum lines. 4. Scan the vehicle with an OBD2 scanner to identify specific trouble codes. 5. Inspect and clean the throttle body or mass airflow sensor if dirty buildup is suspected. 6. Replace worn maintenance items such as spark plugs, air filters, or fuel filters if needed.